Hi, welcome to week one. This is Sarah Bray. I have a short slide deck for us to get us started. In week one, we have a few different goals. The first thing we're going to learn is what this class is all about. We'll take some time to reflect on entrepreneurship and innovation and how they relate to each other and how they're also distinct and separate. We're also going to learn how to use the JCC library to access your textbook. It's called Who Owns the Ice House? 8 Life Lessons from an Unlikely Entrepreneur. It's available for free through the JCC library, or as I noted in the welcome video for the syllabus, it's also something that you can purchase online or through the JCC bookstore for a pretty affordable price. What you'll need this week is just a willingness to try new things. This course is going to be a little bit different from others you've been a part of. You'll need a computer with an internet connection, and I do need you to get a hold of that Ice House book. Again, either a paper copy or electronically through the JCC library. Your assignments this week, the first thing to do is read the Ice House book. You're going to read just the foreword, the preface, and the introduction to get a sense for what the book is all about. Then you're going to introduce yourself through an introductory discussion post and 2 peer comments. So we'll take a minute to get to know our classmates. Other things that you need to do are reviewing the syllabus. Make sure you're familiar with the outline in the syllabus, the schedule, the weekly assignments that are due, how to reach me, other important things like that, and watch that welcome video if you haven't already. And then we'll go through that short introduction to entrepreneurship, and I'll get you started for the first assignment. The first thing I want you to do is define entrepreneurship. And if we were in a classroom together, I would ask you, with no phone or no computer, to take a minute and reflect on that. Write down some notes on what you think it means to be an entrepreneur or what entrepreneurship is all about. So go ahead and pause the video and take a shot at defining entrepreneurship. You can pause it now. Now that you've thought about what entrepreneurship is, go ahead and look it up. Google it, or if you've got any sort of book nearby that might reflect on entrepreneurship. But typically, I think we'd go to Google, we'd go to the internet, and compare what you learned from the internet to what your original reflective thought was on entrepreneurship. Are they similar in any ways? Are they different? A lot of people think entrepreneurship is all about owning a business, and in many ways it is. Through Google or through other searches, you might have learned that there's some more aspects to entrepreneurship, like creating value and innovation. Speaking of innovation, let's go through that same process again. Pause the video and take a moment to write down your definition of innovation. Go ahead, I'll wait. Now that you've defined innovation on your own, do the same thing. Use a search and look it up. Are they similar? Are they a little bit different? This course is going to spend a lot of time on innovation, specifically an innovative process. I can't teach you how to be innovative, but what I can teach you is a specific process that's linked to innovative solutions, and that's what we're going to focus on in the class. As one short example, pause the video again and draw a unique vase, something for flowers. Draw a unique vase. Go ahead and pause. And I wish I could see what everyone has drawn. If we were in a classroom together, I'd be able to walk around and see what you've all done. So this will be a reflection for you personally. The next thing we'll do is change that prompt a little bit. Instead of drawing a vase, draw a unique way people can enjoy flowers in their homes. So it's different, a different challenge. Draw a unique way people can enjoy flowers in their homes. Go ahead and do that now. So what I love when we compare these things, your unique vase and also the unique way that people can enjoy flowers in their homes, they tend to be very different. Maybe your unique vase is an interesting shape or a color or a fancy design, but a way that someone can enjoy flowers in their homes could be an entirely different proposal, not even through something like a traditional vase. How do you think, if we reflect on what you just did, brainstorming can have different triggers, drawing a vase or drawing a unique way to enjoy flowers, that's going to give a different result. So you'll see that changing the question is going to impact the solution. What we'll do throughout this class is try to figure out how we can think outside the box. Ultimately, this is going to relate to entrepreneurship and innovation, finding new and creative ways to approach problems or identifying problems or issues that people didn't even know existed, things they always just thought they had to live with. The goal of this class is to help you with a system and a process so that you can identify issues and problems in the world around you and find new and creative solutions for them. Often, this is the root of successful business ventures. Your assignment then is to read the foreword, preface, and the introduction to Who Owns the Ice House, and then in Blackboard, create an introductory discussion post. You will see the directions in Blackboard. Go ahead and create a Google Slides presentation or a PowerPoint. It tells you a little bit about yourself, about the class, about yourself. About that. Read all of your classmates' posts and comment on at least 2. Thanks for a great week 1.